Here's some kitchen cabinets I bought at Lowe's called Project Source. It's a real shame. This door here, the face was on that crooked. You couldn't close the top door. Had to take that off, re-drill the holes to straighten it out so it lined up. The strip here was laying off, wasn't even on. It's laying in there. It was never installed from the factory. Back in this corner, this was a part. Had to glue that up. Same over here, that was out. Drawer slides here. They were on crooked. Just a damn shame. You can't buy anything anymore. And from what I read online, when you get something that has a little work like this, you're best to keep it because you take it back and get another one and frames are busted and everything else. So I fixed it up, glued this all up. Well, to start with, it didn't even fit in the groove. That's why they didn't have it in. So I had to cut it down thinner to make it fit in the groove, and then glued it and clamped all these clamps on. Not happy with that company. Wasn't Lowe's fault. This is all crap done at the factory, put together, shouty. I'm guessing it's probably another piece of Chinese junk, but what are you going to do nowadays? Everything you get, there's something wrong with it. That's it. I'm done.